You're watching Foxtecc, and today I'm showing you how to arrange apps alphabetically on your iPad. If you're trying to quickly browse all your apps in alphabetical order, the easiest way is to swipe all the way to the right on your home screen until you reach the app library. At the top, there's a search field. Tap on it, and you'll see a full alphabetical list of every app installed on your iPad. This includes both built-in apps and any apps you've downloaded. Now, if you want that same alphabetical layout directly on your home screens, it's a bit more hands-on. There's no automatic sort option, so you need to manually drag the app icons one by one and place them in alphabetical order across your pages. It's time-consuming, but it works if you're really aiming for a specific setup. There's also a useful section in your iPad settings. If you go into settings and scroll to the bottom, you'll find an apps section. While it won't let you rearrange them from there, it does display your apps in a neat, organized list where you can view and manage them more easily. That's how you can view or arrange your apps alphabetically on iPad. Thanks for watching Foxtecc, and if this helped, give it a like and consider subscribing. See you later.